thing that's happened here, huh? They're all gone. Oh no. They're all gone, Dee.
What is that? Kind of
It's a hammock.
It's a beagle.
It's a beagle.
It's a beagle, huh? It's a beagle.
What's the matter? Yes, there's tragedy right here in this store.
Well, there might be a little tree.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if you like that one. Oh, you do.
Is it food? He'll eat it.
Yeah.
Is it poop? He'll eat it.
He'll eat it. Yeah. More in there for you.
Gonna starve to death. When did they take those down?
They didn't. It's because it's almost empty.
Oh. You should have seen the look on his face. It was just like, no, you cannot do that.
They're going to spoil your dinner.
It's done. Dinner's done.
Dinner's done, huh?
Dinner's done.
Dinner's done and you're still starving? You can't be that hungry.
He's a beagle. Come on.
I know, huh? What's your name?
Baxter.
Baxter, huh? Well, it's nice seeing you, Baxter.